Hey guys, in today's video I wanted to share with you an updated review of Squarespace email campaigns because they keep making it better and they've added in some new features. If you didn't know, Squarespace has their own email marketing system built into the platform, so that is what I'm going to show you in today's video. If you're new here, hi, I'm Louise of SolopreneurSidekick.com. I put out new videos every single week all about making the tech in your online business easier, and I'm a Squarespace authorized trainer, so I share tons of Squarespace tips here on this channel. So if that is something you're interested in, definitely hit subscribe down below and hit that little bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. Alright, so let's dive into the review. So I think that this is a perfect option for beginners because it allows you to do all of the essential things that you need to do when it comes to email marketing while keeping it simple because it's built into the platform and you don't need to worry about integrating another software. So let me go over the essential features that they offer. Number one is that you can send out regular newsletters to your list. So to get to Squarespace email campaigns, in Squarespace, you're going to click on Marketing, and then Email Campaigns. And to send out a regular newsletter style email, you're just going to click on Create and then select Blast. So that's what they're calling it in Squarespace. So I'm going to click on that. And in true Squarespace fashion, they have all these gorgeous professionally designed templates that you can choose from. So let's say that I want to go with this one here. I'm just going to click on that and then select Use this layout, and then customize this to match my brand. So to edit this content, all I need to do is come over here, click on it, and replace with my message. So this functions very similar to Squarespace, which is great. Once you get comfortable with Squarespace itself, you'll also be very comfortable with the email marketing feature. So to edit this content, all you need to do is either click on it and you'll be able to replace it here on the left side, or you'll also see editing options appear on the right. So for example, if I wanted to change the background color here, I could absolutely do that. Alright, so once your email is ready to go, you're going to go over here to where it says email. Type in your subject line, email preview text, determine what mailing list it's going to go to, when you want it to go out, so you can actually schedule these out now. So rather than sending out immediately, you can choose a send date, which is great. And then you're going to click schedule campaign, or if you have it going out immediately, you're just going to click send to mailing lists. Feature number two is that you can send automated email sequences. And with Squarespace, you can do this either after they've signed up for your newsletter or lead magnet, and also after your purchase. So to set this one up, you're just going to click Create and then Automation, and you'll see the two options. So the first is subscriber activity, and this is how you would welcome new subscribers or follow up after lead magnet. And then you have the commerce option as well, and this is how you can send those thank you emails. So let's say that we wanted to set up a welcome sequence. Let me show you how to do that. So the first thing that you need to do is actually go into mailing lists and then click add and title your list. So I'm just going to call this Solopreneur Sidekick list and click save. Okay, great. Now I'm going to go back. And now we need to create that automation. So we're going to go create, automation, welcome new subscribers. And they're going to start you off with this really nice starter layout. So again, this functions the same way as your email newsletters, and you can just click on the content to customize it for your brand. Now, we need to make sure that this goes out immediately after someone has signed up for your list. So you're going to click on Email. As you can see, we have Automation, so click on that. We have After a person subscribes. Then we need to connect our mailing list. So we'll change our mailing list to Solopreneur Sidekick list. Go back, and you'll see that the timing is automatically set to immediately. So that's great. We're going to go back. And after you customized this for your brand and filled out all of the information required, you can simply activate the automation. And you might be wondering, do you need to have the Powered by Squarespace badge? No, you do not. You can simply click on that and then click on badge and turn this off to remove it. So that is how you set up the email part, but how do you get someone to actually sign up to receive this? So it's super simple. On your website, all you need to do is find your insert point and then insert the newsletter block. So I'm going to select this. And this is going to insert a beautiful sign up form for you. And this is where people will type in their name and email address and sign up for your list. So to connect this, all we would need to do is go over to storage. And as you can see, it's actually automatically connected to my Solopreneur Sidekick list. So I'm going to click apply, save, and that has instantly added a sign up form to my website. So now let's say that you wanted to set up an email after purchase. You're going to go back into your automations section, click add, commerce, and this time choose thank you customers. And again, they've started you off with a starter layout. So all you would need to do is customize this for your brand. And this time you'll see that it says automation after a purchase. So we're going to click on that. And then all you need to do is choose the correct product. So if you have products in your store, they will appear down here. But for now, I can just do, okay, this is the email that is going to go out after any product is sold. Then I'm going to click back, and again, the timing is set to immediately, but if you wanted to, you could absolutely change this. And what's good about this email automation, guys, is that you can also add sequences. So it doesn't just have to be one email, you can add many to the sequence. So those are the essential things that you'll need to do when it comes to email marketing. And then on top of this, I also love Squarespace email campaigns because they have analytics built in, the ability to schedule campaigns, the gorgeous templates, and the ability to customize this for your brand. Easy to customize sign-up forms built directly into Squarespace. And I also love how easy they make it to pull content from your website. So let me give you an example. If I go into my email campaign and I click on this little plus sign here, I can actually select blog, add blog post, and it will automatically bring up my most recent blog posts. So for example, let's say that I want to add these 2 posts into my email. I'm going to click on them and then click select. And this will automatically pull in the image thumbnail, title, excerpt, and a read more link that goes directly to my blog posts. So this is a huge time saver. You can do that with your blog posts, and you can also do that with your products as well. And this feature is currently free, so I highly recommend that you start out using Squarespace email campaigns. If you outgrow it and you need a more advanced software, that's no problem at all, and it's actually really easy to move from one email marketing software to another. So I wouldn't worry about that, and I would just get started growing your list, getting used to sending out emails, and doing that with Squarespace email campaigns. And another great thing about Squarespace is they are constantly improving their products. So this is an updated video as of April 2019, but it's very likely that they are working hard behind the scenes right now to make the product even better. So quick update to this video, Squarespace has actually just released their pricing plans and early access is going to end on April 24th. So this is the pricing here. I am still clarifying a few details, so I'll leave a link to the blog post for this video down below where I'll be posting updates as I get them. So if I have convinced you to use Squarespace, I also want to share with you my affiliate discount code. So if you use Sidekick10 at checkout, you can save 10% off your first year of Squarespace. And if you want to dive deeper into this, when you join my online program, A Website That Wows, you also get a bonus mini course on email automation in Squarespace. So I'll leave a link for that in the description below. If you like this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and of course leave any questions that you have for me in the comments below, and I'll see you soon with another video. Squarespace actually has their Oh dear. Oh dear.